What up, y'all? I'm back, Ryan with Crown Skin once again. I had a bunch of questions last time asking, oh, how does it smell? What does it do? What does it look like? This and the other. Look, it's the holidays, it's time. Crown Skin is having one of the biggest sales, and now it's your time to try it. It's time for you to stock up. This one right here is my favorite right now, Prince, because it kind of matches, you know, my main cologne. But the texture of that, look at the texture. And this is the body butter. I mostly make sure mine is applied before I hit the gym, because I can't be in there all dry. But this is everyday. So along with the body butter, I got the Crown Skin cologne to match. Boom. Now you stepping out fresh, moisturized, good to go. You can hit the link in my bio. Use my code Ryan20. Biggest sale they got going on right now. You gotta ask all the questions, try it out for a discount, either my favorite Prince or you got all flavors. So check it out, man, Crown Skin.